Yes, good morning children. Today we are going to learn division in decimals. Okay, division of decimals. See children, I showed you one decimal division on that day. Yes, open page number 87. What is the date today children? 14. What is the date today? 14. 14 dash 14 dash 12 dash 20. Okay, what is the date today? 14 dash 12 dash 20. Come on, tick the correct answers in page number 87. Page number 87. Page number 87. Page number 87 children, tick the correct answers. Yes. First one, 135 divided by 1000. So how many points? First change it into mixed fraction. Change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Then you write the answer. Okay? That is A option, you tick it. 3.135. Tick this answer children. Shall I show you how? 135 by 1000 it is there, no? So 3 into 1000, 3000. 3000 plus 135, 3135 by 1000. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, you put a point. 1, 2, 3. Here point. That is 3.135. Followed? Now next. What is the next? Tick the correct answer. The place value of 2 is, yes, 10th. I said you know, 10th. B1 is T-E-N-T-H, 10th. Now C1. Add. That is, C1 is 120.125. D1, 75.03. And D1 is 32.6. Come on. After this, I am going to show you the second bit. Sums. Division. How you are going to divide. Okay, find the quotient they are asking you. Second bit, find the quotient. Second bit, find the quotient. That is 4.05 divided by 9. Okay children, how you are going to do this? 4.05 divided by 9. Yes, now divide. 4.05 divided by 9. See, 9 is bigger, but 4 is small. We can't divide 4 with 9. So, you are going to take two numbers. Yes, how should you take two numbers? You have point between. Okay, you have point between. So, put for 0. Because 4 is not divisible, put 0. 9 zeros are 0, 4 comes down. And this point goes here. Now comes 0. 9 table, when does the 40 comes children in 9 table? When does 40 comes in 9 table? 9 fours are 36. 10 minus 6. 4. Now 5. 9 fives are 45. Okay children, come on. What is the quotient children now? Quotient is equal to 0.45. Did you write this? Now, next Sam. Next, I'll show you D1. BC, do for homework. I'm going to show D1. D1 children. 0.552 divided by 6. Okay? 0.552 divided by 6. 0.552 divided by 6. Yes children? See how you are going to divide this? 0. 6 zeros are sure. 6 zeros are 0. Okay, 0 comes down. And this point goes here, children, in the quotient. Okay, 5 comes down. In 6 table, we won't get 5. No? Do we get 5 in 6 table? No, 5 is less than 6. We can't get it in the 6 table. So, what you are going to do now? Put here 0 and take next number, 55. 6 9s are 54. Okay, 5 minus 4, 1. And this comes down. 2. 6 2s are 12. So, what is the quotient, children? Quotient is equal to 0.092. Come on. In the same way, do the other 3 sums. Any 3 sums from the bit you can do, children. You can do any 3 sums. Yes. Now, third bit, children. Third bit, you see, if you have decimals, no? 5, third bit, children. 5, 6, 3. Divided by 0.4. Wait, children, my marker is not working. Wait for 2 minutes. Yes, if you have how many digits? 10, 1, 0. So, 1 digit from this side, from your right side, left side, moves towards the decimal part. That is 56.34 you are going to write. See, 563.4 divided by 10. Pause. Yes, children, now third bit. See, children, how many decimal points if you have? 563.4 divided by 10. You have like this, no? So, how many decimal? 10 means 1 point after decimal. 1 number after decimal. 10 means. So, whenever you divide, you see 563.4 divided by 10. What do you get, you see? 10 5s are 50. 6. 3 comes down. 10 6 are 60. Again 3. This point will go here. Point. This 4 comes down. 10 3s are 30. 4. So it does not. After point we can put any times 0. 10 4s are 40. Like this you are going to. That means what you are going to see? 1 0. So one number will go this side. See, it will become 56.34. If you have 2 zeros, see the same number if you divide with 100. Divided by 100. You have how many zeros? 2 zeros. So this side 2 numbers will go to this side. 5.634. Like this you are going to get. 2 numbers will go that side. If you have the same number divided by 563.4 divided by 1000. How many zeros you have after decimal? So 3. 3 zeros. So 3 zeros means you will get the 3 numbers will go after the point. 0.5634. Like this you are going to get. Followed? Okay. Divide after. Now I am going to show 2 sums in this. Then after you are going to do fourth bit. 2 or 3 we will do enough. Yes. Now we are going to do. I'll show you. 5.634 divided by 10. So how many points? 10. 10 means only 1 0. So this point will come to this 0.5634. Write like that. Yes. Now next one. You see G1. 3.5 divided by 1000 children. So how many zeros? 3 zeros. So 3 numbers. ఈ పాయింట్ ఇక్కడే ఉంటుంది. తర్వాత 3 numbers. 1 number, 2, 3. 0.0 like this. Okay, did you all follow? See, F1 I'll show. F1 I'll show. You see, 1750.35 divided by 100. So how many zeros you have? 2 zeros. So 2 numbers will come this side. 17.5035. Followed? Each side ఎన్ని zeros ఉంటే each side అన్ని numbers each side వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. అర్థమవుతుందా? Okay. Now go to fourth bit, children. You write off this bit. 3 sums. There only you write in the textbook. It is enough. Now go to fourth bit. Go to fourth bit. Fourth bit. What do you have in the fourth bit? 0.288 divided by 0.6. Okay, children. So you have to change this to whole number. Decimal number to divide cheyadaniki raadu. Yes, whenever you have decimal number, first you have to change it into whole number. Then you start divide. So how should you make first? First you have to see 0.6. How many numbers you have after decimal? 6. One number. One number means 10. Two numbers means 100. One number means you are going to multiply both with 10. This and 0.288 into 10. Both first you multiply with 10. So it becomes, the point will remove. 0.6 into 10. That is 6. Okay, 0.6 into 10 is 6. Now 0.288 into 10. ఓన్లీ ఈ నెంబరే చూసుకోవాలి. డివైడ్ చేసే ఏ నెంబర్తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి ఆ నెంబరే. డెసిమల్ తర్వాత ఎన్ని పాయింట్స్ ఆ నెంబరే చూసుకోవాలి. అర్థమవుతుందా? 1808, 1808, 12 2, 10 0. Okay. Now how many digits? After point 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Here. That is equal to. So what you got? 2.8880 divided by 6. Like this you get. Point after 0 is not counted. Before number 0 is also not counted. Now you are going to divide. 2.880 divided by 6. Yes, 6 zeros are 0. 2 comes down. This point will go here. Now 8 comes down. 6 4s are 24. Now 8 minus 4, 4. Again 8 comes down. 6 8s are 48. Now 0 again. 6 zeros are 0. Over. So quotient is equal to 0.480. Okay, come on, write this. Now you finished, no? Now I'll show one more problem. We'll do 3 problems in this bit, children. If you have 2 points after decimal, you are going to multiply with 100. Here all the numbers are with 1 point only, children. So all you are going to multiply with 10, then you are going to divide. So I am going to show you C1. C1 20.484 divided by 1.8. So this you are going to multiply with 10 now. 20.484 into 10, then 1.8 into 10. Now you are going to multiply. 20.484 into 10. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1 4s are 4, 1 8s are 8, 1 4s are 4, 1 0s are 0, 1 2s are 2. 0 4 8 4 0 2. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Okay? Yes? Now what about this? 1.8 into 10. 0 0. 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1. 0 8 1. Now after point 1 digit. That is 18. Now you are going to divide. 204.840 divided by 18. 18 ones are 18. 2, 10 minus 8, 2. 4 comes down. 24. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. So again 18 ones are 18. 14 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6. Okay. Now this point will go away here. Now 8 comes down. 18 table 68 comes, children. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 54. 18 fours are 112. So 18 threes are 18 into 3 you do here. 8 threes are 24. 3 ones are 3, 4, 5, 54. 18 into 4. 4 8s are 32. 4 ones are 4, 5, 6, 72. We can't take 72. So we'll take 18 threes are 54. 8 minus 4, 4. 6 minus 5, 1. Now next comes down 4. Now you see 18 5s are 18 6 are 6 5 6 8 are 48. 8 6 1s are 6 7 8 9 10 108. 18 7s are 7 8s are 56. 7 1s are 7 8 9 10 11 12 12 126. So 18 8s are 8 8s are 64. 8 1s are 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 144. See 18 8s are 144. So again 0 comes down. 18 zeros are 0. See, all this in rough column, children. So quotient is equal to 1.380. Enough? Come on. Enough, children. 2 sums are enough. Yes? Come on, write these 2 sums. Go to next to simplify. Simplify the following. One I am going to say, the other you do for homework. Yes. Now simplify. Page number 88, children. Page. So A1 6.5 minus 2.3 plus 17.2. Sorry, 1.7 into 2. Okay. See, first step 1. What you are going to do? 6.5 minus 2.3. 5 minus 3, 2.4. Step 2. Step 2. Add this. 4.2 plus 1.7. 2 plus 7, 9. 4 plus 1, 5. Now step 3. Step 3. 5.9 into 2. 9 twos are 18. 5 twos are 10, 11. After 1 digit point. Okay, 11.8. Over the B1 you do for homework. Now, in the 6th week, I am going to explain you B1, children. See, the cost of 8 cups is 75.84. What is the cost of 1 cup? Okay? Next bit, B question you all copy. Copy B question. You do A sum for homework, children. B1. Cost of 8 cups is equal to, cost of 8 cups is equal to rupees 75.84. Cost of 1 cup is equal to how much? That is 75.84 divided by 8. 8 9s are 72. 5 minus 2, 3. Point will go here. Then comes 8. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 4s are 32. 8 minus 2, 6. 4 comes down. 8 8 is 64. So what is the cost of 1 cup, children? Therefore, cost of 1 cup is equal to rupees 9.48. Come on, do. Okay, children, with this we have completed our chapter 2. A1 as homework, children. Yes, in the next class I am going to explain you unitary method. Chapter 11. Okay? Thank you.